Method 1. How to convert Word to PDF on iPhone using Files app. Step 1. Launch the Files application from the home screen, then click Browse. Proceed to the particular folder in which your document is saved. Step 2. Click on the file to open it. Inside the Files application, next choose Share and Print on the share sheet. Pinch out the document with your 2 fingers. Step 3. Click on the Share button to select Save to Files. Select a location to save your file, and hit Save. You've now successfully converted your Word document to PDF with just an iOS Files application. Method 2. How to save doc as PDF on iPhone using Shortcuts app. Step 1. Head to the Shortcuts application on your device, then click on the gallery icon at the lower right corner. Step 2. Look for PDF, then click the Make PDF Shortcut button. When asked, click on Add Shortcut button. Step 3. Launch the Files application and open a Word document you wish to convert. Step 4. Click the Share button and choose Make PDF. Step 5. After converting your document, click on the Share button again. Now hit Save to Files, choose a location, then press Save. Method 3. How to edit a PDF document on iPhone using the Microsoft Word app. Step 1. If you have not installed the Microsoft Word app on your iPhone, download it from the App Store. Open the app, then proceed to open your Word document file. Then, tap PDF format. Step 3. Choose the location and hit Export. Method 4. How to save document as PDF on iPhone using Pages mobile application. Step 1. Download the Pages application and run it. Now click on the Browse option and choose your Word document. Step 2. Click on the More button with 3 dots at the top right and hit Export. Step 3. Select PDF format from the list of options. Then click on Export, and the share sheet will be displayed. Step 4. Choose the Save to Files option from Share Sheet. Once done, find the location to save your created file and hit Save. Method 5. How to convert Word to PDF on iPhone online using PDF Candy. Step 1. Open a browser on your iPhone and go to the PDF Candy site. When there, click on the Add Files tab to upload the document. Step 2. The tool will immediately import the files to the service and begin creating PDFs automatically. Wait for the process to finish and press Download Files after the conversion.